step into the Ram 2019 1500 Classic Bighorn. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 3.92 rear axle ratio, bright white clear coat, engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT, STD, diesel gray black premium cloth bucket seats included, power lumbar adjust 115-volt auxiliary power outlet bucket seats rear 60/40 split folding seat folding flat load floor storage power 10-way driver seat full length upgraded floor console, quick order package 27S Bighorn included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, rear view auto dim mirror leather wrapped steering wheel rear dome with on-off switch lamp LED bed lighting glove box lamp bright billets grille auto dim exterior mirrors Bighorn regional package Bighorn badge security alarm power heated fold away